Hi, my name is Angela Johnstone, and I am a member of the sports sales class at UAF. And in conjunction with the Fairbanks Ice Dogs, which is a nonprofit organization whose hockey team is currently on a 19-game winning streak and is the largest spectator sport in the interior, we are excited to offer the opportunity for a sponsorship. I've selected Delta Power Sports as the organization to have the best fit for this logo. If you're interested, I'm your personal class liaison for a sponsorship package, and I would value the opportunity to work with you on developing a relationship with the Fairbanks Ice Dogs. If you're interested in moving forward, Delta Power Sports will have the opportunity to compete for this sponsorship package via my class presentation in May with respect to why Delta Power Sports deserves first crack at this exclusive sponsorship opportunity. The reason why I've selected Delta Power Sports as an organization for this logo is because they sell things like recreational equipment and things that viewers of Ice Dogs games, young couples, military families, are interested in buying, especially newcomers to the interior who are interested in getting out and experiencing hunting and all the things that Alaska has to offer. I think that Delta Power Sports would have the opportunity to get their name out, as well as help a local nonprofit succeed with what they're planning on.